Hello everyone, welcome to today's session on C programming basics. This is Gokul Kannan, Assistant Professor in the Department of Artificial Intelligence and Data Science at SNS College of Technology, Coimbatore. In this video, we'll explore the fundamental concepts of C programming like its history, futures, rules and how C program actually runs. Let's get into the video. Introduction to C programming. So what is C programming? C programming is a general purpose and structured programming language developed by Dennis Ritchie at Bell Laboratories in 1972. Here we have mentioned the general purpose and structured programming language. So general purpose is nothing but in C programming, the wide range of varieties of applications offering flexibilities and versatility. And which means the structured programming language is like there is something called method for code in every programming language, writing with any language that improves logical control flow. Okay, and it is known as the mother of all programming language because modern languages such as C++, Java, Python were built using principles of C. C is widely used for developing operating systems, compilers, embedded systems and even parts of database systems like MySQL and Oracle too. It is a powerful, fast and provides programmers with a strong control over hardware and software memory, which is why it remains relevant even today. So the key features in C are: it is simple yet powerful, allowing you to build from basics to complex applications by using the C programming. And the second is C follows a structured programming approach, which means code is organized into functions and modules for clarity and reusability. And the third reason, it is rich operators and data types that makes it flexible for various problem solving scenarios. It is a portable, meaning the same C code can be compiled and run on different machines with a little or more changes. And most importantly, C ensures a fast and efficient execution, which makes its ideal for system level programming. The next is in fundamental rules. Before writing any C programming, we need to understand its basic syntax rules. C is case sensitive, so the uppercase high and the lowercase high are not the same. Every statement must be ends with a semicolon. The semicolon tells that the code and the line is terminated or the line is completed to the compiler by using the semicolon. So there is something called curly braces, which are used to define code blocks like functions and loops. And then next is a main function. It is an entry point and also where the execution of the code begins from the main function. And there is something called documentation and clarity. We use documentations for the clarity. We use it as in commands. Okay, so in commands there is two types: a single line command and a multi-line command. For little commands or the simpler commands, we can use the single line command. When we are going to multiple lines of commands, we can use the multi-line commands by using the symbols that I have mentioned here. These rules may seem simple, but following that correctly is essential for error-free code. And the next is in structure of C programming. So now let's look at how a C program actually works behind the scenes, from writing the code to executing it. The process happens in several steps like editing, reprocessing, compilation, assembly, linking and execution. So in editing, we first write our code in the text editor or some other platforms we are using to execute the C programming. So pre-processing, like these steps handles the pre-processing directives like #include and -io.h or #define. Compilation, the compiler converts our source code into object code. The assembler converts the object code into a machine code to understand the machine and execute the output as we need. Linking, the linker connects our program with the necessary libraries and produces an executable file. Execution is nothing but finally the executable runs and we see our program outputs. So understanding these steps gives you insight into how the computer interprets and runs your instructions. And the next is compilation and linking process. So we have seen that like steps in the programming executions like editing, pre-processing, compilation, as we see in that now. And the next is advantages of C. which is easy to learn. C programming builds a strong foundation for understanding advanced languages like C++, Java and Python. It is easy to learn and more efficient and forms the backbone of many areas such as operating systems like Unix, Linux bots, embedded systems and device drivers, game development, compiler and interpreters, database systems and applications. So mastering in C opens up a wide range of opportunities in both software and hardware domains. So thank you for watching and keep practicing and strengthen your programming fundamentals. Thank you.